Good day. I'm going to show you my research project entitled Home Security Alarm. I chose this topic to create a smart system that uses technology to keep home safe. Authorized user can easily activate the system with their fingerprint, while unauthorized access triggers an alarm and send notifications to the registered phone numbers. This makes the home more secure and give peace of mind of the home owners. When an unauthorized person scans their hand using fingerprint scanner, the servo motor automatically turns 180 degrees to open the door. As the servo motor moves, the other components like GSM module, PIR motion sensor, and the buzzer are turned off. This allows the authorized person to enter. Then, as you can see, the servo motor turns back to close the door. If an authorized fingerprint is scanned, the buzzer will turn on, alerting that access is denied. The servo motor will not move, preventing entry. This ensures that only authorized individuals can enter the house. Unauthorized attempts are immediately flagged by the system. When an unauthorized person tries to enter the house, the PIR motion sensor will detect the movement. The sensor will trigger the buzzer, which will turn on to alert everyone nearby. A notification will also be sent to the owner's registered phone number. This ensures the owner is immediately aware of the unauthorized entry upon. Only authorized individuals can enter the house. Placing the GSM antenna outside ensures strong signal reception, enabling the system to send notifications. If the antenna were inside, the GSM module might struggle with signal strength, impairing notifications delivery.